Hey, so this is sort of a devlog of what I'm doing here. I have this Godot workspace. I did not do any of this myself. I had VS Code create all this for me. So, I started a docs folder for documents. I added an example script, which I'll probably use later. Added some notes, and then what else do we got here? So I've initialized Git within VS Code. I had ChatGPT originally write me a prompt for this, and then I plugged it into Codex, and then from there, I have this. I think it's Pine Valley game, something like that. That's on ish.io. I bought a little asset pack. It has some tiles like this, which appear. Well, they might need to be rescaled slightly, but they'd be compatible with ServUO and ClassicUO and UO Fiddler and CentreEdge Sharp if you're into that sort of pixel art style from the 90s. And then again, this is a Godot editor. And then here is what's been created so far. So again, this is me just prompting Codex. So basically you can import the tiles, and then you can use this in here. You can zoom out, zoom in, and it can be a game and an editor. I have this sort of idea of how I'm going to make this work. I'm starting this way for now, just doing one thing at a time, making sure I save my changes with Git version control. And then also this is using a custom, well, I don't know if it's custom really, but it's, where is it here? Oh, interesting, history. So it's the assets, it's these binary. So these .res files, it's going to be the asset catalog, and then the grid world state. And basically, if I want to make this truly ServUO compatible, then you got to do the ServUO sort of stuff with some of the tile IDs and whatever else. But I'll do that later if I get that far. I guess this is sort of a devlog. I'm having fun with this, I got to say. It's, I have the tiles, and again, here's the editor. This was created all by Codex. I did not have to click and place any of this. And, you can see here, it built it all for me in the GUI. And, here I've been prompting ChatGPT Codex. The context is approximately 25 or 30%, but it should compact it eventually if it needed. Also, another thing I find helpful sometimes when using Codex is basically having it create a log. Actually, I should create a log folder. Where is it? Folder. And that'll be for error logs. But yeah, I'll deal with that more later. So yeah, I'm having fun with this. I guess just a little bit of like I said, it imports it, gives some information. Here's the tiles. I'm going to add a feature to hide the grid and maybe go into game mode. So the tool UI active should maybe hide it. So, mode, tool, game. Anyway, I'm doing it 1080p on here. And yeah, that's where I'm at with this. So again, using Godot and Codex to make ServUO and ClassicUO compatible art. And, in theory, you could create probably tools to convert these binary files into files that ServUO could use. And so again, if you wanted to have a massive multiplayer online RPG and didn't want to mess with something like Colossus or Nakama, you just want to do ServUO, then you could do that. So yeah, anyway, that's where it's at. Thanks for watching. Till next time.